everyone. So a little video on help for Christmas with people. So this video is about healing and raising our frequency or vibration. Our consciousness is probably another word I prefer to say. So basically speaking, it's not all about them and what they're doing and what they're not doing. Because when we judge them and resist someone else's behavior, we do this fundamentally because we think that they're the ones making us sad or happy or stressed, okay? So when we believe our emotions are dependent on another person, we're going to fall into the trap of trying to then control them, because if we don't control them and force them to be the way we want, then we let them loose out of the bag, and then they're going to be rampant, making us miserable by doing things that we don't want them to do. But the thing is, we can't control another person, so this whole effort is futile and laced with pure inner resistance and stress and tension within us. And when we try and control someone and get them to stop doing stuff that we don't like, or to start doing stuff that we want them to do, then they're just going to be pissed off at us and resist us. And then there's going to be a big tug of war battle of stress, tension between the two of us. So the answer is to let other people free. And obviously we're free. And if we find their behavior or their lack of behavior too overwhelming for where we're currently at in our consciousness, of course, we're free also to take space and to do other things or spend time with other people if you feel like it. So everybody's free. And nobody can control another person, okay? Unless you're literally going to like tie them up in chains and put a big ball on them or attach them to a metal fence of bars. But that stuff doesn't usually go on, okay? So I want to invite you to use Christmas as spiritual practice in the same way so many teachers would suggest. Use everything as spiritual practice. And at the end of the day, I truly feel that everything that's in our life is perfectly divinely meant to be, as well as every person and relationship. So they're all put here by our higher self and by spiritual contracts to serve a purpose. So every relationship is a lesson or a blessing or a mixture of both. We could call them blessings. So truly, if it's all about subtraction rather than adding. And by subtracting first and letting go, we create a space for good things to come in, which is the addition, okay? So that not only comes from like leaving job, losing a relationship, but also comes from losing old, like lower frequency thoughts and letting higher frequency thoughts come in through practice, deliberate thinking, okay? And by letting go of the rubbish and the blocks within us, that's the main point I want to make. And the past trauma, becoming aware, shedding the light of awareness, we allow in far more prosperity and abundance and joy and happiness into our thoughts, our minds, our hearts, our belief system, our behaviors, and our relationships with everything and everybody in life. And it's nothing other than pure beautifulness. I hope you liked this video. In the fire, loads of love. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Befriend me and thank